Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this video let us discuss about some common phrases which may help you out in your IELTS writing. So once you make use of these phrases, it will generally add an added attraction to your writing as well as generate an interest from the part of the examiner in order to look at your writing. It will also help you in order to reduce the wastage of time, the time which you spent in choosing the appropriate words in order to fit in these contexts. And also, whenever you make use of these phrases, you should be careful about the spellings, otherwise you will lose the marks. Now let us look into some of these phrases. First one is, if you want to provide an opinion regarding something, you can say, in my opinion, according to me, from my perspective, I feel, and so on. Now if you are to provide some examples, you can say, for example, for instance, namely, and so on. Third one is, if you want to provide a contrasting idea or you want to contrast an existing idea, you can say, on the contrary, on the other hand, or when compared to this, and so on. Fourth one is, if you want to express a certainty or you're damn sure about something, you can say surely, definitely, or otherwise you can say undoubtedly, doubtless, and so on. Now, if you want to express an order of action of a particular event or a time, you want to specify a time, you can say firstly, secondly, at the same time, simultaneously, and so on. Now, if you want to add something in addition, you can say in addition, adding to this particular information, and so on. Now, in conclusion, if you want to say, or otherwise, if you want to express a partial agreement regarding a particular statement, you can say, okay, up to a certain extent, up to a certain level, or okay, you can say, up to a certain level, or certainly, almost, and all those phrases you can make use of. Now, towards the end, when you are concluding your paragraph, you can say, as a conclusion, or hence, therefore, and so on. So, although these phrases may sound as very common, but making use of them would definitely help you in order to improve your writing. And always try to make use of those phrases which feel comfortable to you, which you can remember. Otherwise, it will greatly affect your writing and also affect the score which you get. So I think that it was informative and useful. Thank you.